Oh, Dad, I know you got some mom.
There's a cell phone. There's an iPod. There's an iPod.
The iPod's there about Victoria.
There's a cell phone. You get the Victoria.
She's asleep.
Instead of a chocolate cell
What you got? A cell phone. Arthur, look. Oh.
Well, she got a cell phone.
Who are you gonna talk to?
Buddy Houston.
Oh, look, Arthur. She got.
Egg.
Look, watch her neck.
Let me. Just give me. Give me.
What? I think that's mine.
Oh, you got them custom made. I wonder what's inside of it. Yeah, those are mine. These tires.
Thank you. Oh, I got prizes too, Bella.
So give me Victoria's candy. So she don't flip it up.
Wait.
I would like the pod.
Because Victoria's.
Get
Get more, kid.
Yeah.
Get more.
Well, she's got the blue sucker.
Stick blue stuff.
Sucker.
Arabella.
Look what he got. Who got it?
Arabella, look here. Arabella, look what Catherine's got. Look what she's got.
She's low.
The shoulder.
You think that? Can I just rip this then tomorrow?
It's just untie the bow. She looked at me too for permission. Just get it.
I wish I had better hair. Oh, you will get got one.
Isn't that nice? Oh,
Ooh, Arabella.
What's her break?
Careful here.
Let me see. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, Beauty and the Beast.
That's got a bell. That's your movie with Belle in it.
Open this up. Open up. I remember last year we had the marshmallows on. We lost one of the eggs and the marshmallows.
Look, she got that one. She likes that.
Okay, it's kind of stuck here. Look, you get a little pet sensor.
Look, Dad, she's showing you.
I know. I look at that. That's good.